Well, hey, folks, we're out at the woodlot today, and I got a special one for you. This is the 6 and 4-inch combo by Jigsaw. Now, it's a saw only. This is powered by the 20-volt Dewalt battery. Now, I have the 6-inch blade currently. I love that one. Good for larger diameter sticks. However, it does also come with the 4-inch bar and a 4-inch chain. Great for trimming branches or any log that's a little less diameter. Now, it comes with a screwdriver and an oil bottle. I did add some bar lube to it. Does not come with that. But what I'd like to do is just give a little demonstration here on how it cuts and how it operates. So really straightforward. Should mention, unscrew this, and that's where you would put your bar lube. And then when you're sawing heavy, you could press the button, and that will, put oil on your chain so you could just cut faster and longer. Now, to operate, you simply press this button in and then pull the trigger. So, I'm going to get a couple of nice size branches here, and it does come with these great looking safety glasses that I have on, as well as some safety gloves. So let me grab a couple branches. Something like this here. You know what? I'm going to get a little. Oh, there we go. Wow, look at that. No problem. Now this here, what I'm cutting, that's a hardwood. This is maple. So yeah, we'll just let me get a better grip here. I could let me see if we can move the camera angle. God, what you can say there. Great. This will be a good example here. We can cut this off. Woo! Let's see here. We'll cut this here. Look at that. Very powerful. And just press that little bit of that bulb there if the blade, if you're doing a lot more than that. So, what a great saw. Now, as I mentioned here before, it has a 4-inch blade that you can install. To do that, I always recommend remove the battery, because you don't want any accidents, to happen. So, but all you would do is unscrew this screw here. The plate comes off. You take the 6-inch chain off, replace it with the 4-inch, put the plate, screw it, and you are ready to do smaller branches. But as you can see, this thing really rips. So great one. This is by Jigsaw 6 and 4-incher.